of the work in Compass Learning this morning. So you must have gone in through here and then clicked down below the Load Compass Learning textbook in there. That's awesome. I'm glad you did that. I'm going to go back to modules now. I saw that you went through and did these activities up through quiz, understanding unit rates. This is the LPC, the learning plan contract. Notice that once you're done with understanding unit rates, then you need to go to the checkpoint. So that means you have to come back to this page here, your main classroom page. Now there's some other items in your main classroom page that you need to go through and just make sure that you've looked at them and read them a little bit. You start with the welcome, and they should all have these green check marks on them to show that you've seen them. So I've gone through these, but it just says welcome to class, and there's another picture of me, tells a little bit about me, and just a basic welcome. And then you say next, and it gives a little bit about how to be successful in this course. Just read the highlights if you want. Then click next. And then there's a formative assignment, um, which I've already done, and I just went in and clicked it really fast, but there are questions in there. One big key to success in this class is communicating, true or false. I'm just going to go past it really fast so that you do that on your own. Then there's a getting started assignment. It's really quick and fast too. Do you understand how to do these things? Gives me a chance to give you feedback on them. There's a place to take a selfie and send me a picture of you. If I'd like that, but if you can't do that, that's fine. You can just click next. Same about the Think Hope. I'd like you to do it. Tell me what you think about this class. But if you can't do it, you can just click next. Scroll down to the bottom. Everybody else's replies here. And then click next. I just scroll down to the bottom. Okay? Here's a teacher contact information. These are ways to get a hold of me. Phone number. Okay? This is the learning plan contract. This thing over here, the LPC, the learning plan contract that tells you where you should be and so forth. Okay, so this will open it up and you can print out a page of yourself. You can just click on it or just wait for it to load. But if you click on it, it should open up and give you a chance to actually print it out. I'm going to go ahead and move on though, okay? So you can print that out. It looks just like this. And it's really important. So you know, I finished this, now I do this checkpoint. Now I do these, now I do this checkpoint. These are in the Odyssey, Compass Learning Odyssey, and these are in the main page. Compass Learning Odyssey, main page. I click next, and I get a syllabus. If you want to read through the syllabus, fine. It's not mandatory. It's really, really long. It's kind of a legal document, okay? Click next. Again, some information about Virtual Office. This tells about the monthly academic progress, which we're at one right now. And unless you're within 2 weeks of where you're supposed to be, you'll get an AP, which is academic probation. And since you just started so late, it's going to be AP for right now until you get closer to being caught up. This gives you some stuff about Compass Learning and how to use that other program. There's all kinds of information in here. I'm just going to click on modules because I don't need to go through all of this. This is all the stuff we did in Welcome, how to be successful, these assignments, the selfie, the think hope. This is everyday resources, how to contact me. There's the LPC right here, the syllabus, the virtual office, the monthly academic progress when they are once a month. These are some resources for uh, using the Compass Learning Odyssey that you went and did these lessons in. And like if you want to go and review a previous lesson or what the requirements are. Okay, so now you've done your Compass Learning Odyssey up through quiz, understanding unit rates. Now you need to do checkpoint 1.1.1. Okay, so here we go. Checkpoint 1.1.1. You click on it and it tells you before you take this quiz, you should be finished with the Odyssey textbook that includes, and there's the list of things that it includes. You finish that? Okay, then take the quiz. Question number 1. A restaurant has 75% of its tables being used. There are 20 tables in the restaurant. What is the ratio that compares the used tables with the tables in the restaurant? So I want you to show me all of your work that you need to do this. So there's 20 tables and that 75% of them are being used. You're probably going to want to write something like 0.75 is equal to 75%. So that times 20 equals 15. So the ratio is 15 used tables to 20 total tables. So something like that would be a full answer. Okay, and then you have this one for her daughter's birthday. Mrs. Norda paid $72 for 12 movie tickets. What unit rate describes the price for each ticket? You not only have to tell me the unit rate, but you have to show me what do you do with 72 and 12 to get that answer. Do you have to add them, subtract them, multiply, divide them? And next you want to describe a situation in which it would be helpful to know the unit rate, and then show how you would find it. Show the work. So for example, I buy a set of, let's see, a pack of 5 pairs of pants or something like that. And I'm going to give them for, no, I bought a pack of 5 different candles that I'm going to give as just gifts to neighbors and things like that for Christmas. And I paid $15 for the pack. So how much did I pay for each candle? So the pack of 5, and you write your own situation. You can't write mine, okay? So I bought a pack of 5 candles for $15. How much did each candle cost? So that's a unit rate because it's each candle. How much did each candle cost? And then I would have to say, well, how would I find that? I would say 15 divided by 5 equals 3. Each candle cost $3. And then if you've done this one too, then you go down and you go submit quiz. And there, you're done with that. You've done checkpoint 1.1.1, but you didn't do it, I did it. All right. So now you're going to come over here and you're going to go back to Learning Odyssey and you're going to do these. So how do you go back to Learning Odyssey? You go home. Click home or click modules. Click modules. Go to the top of the page, click Compass Learning Odyssey. For you, you get to click here, right? That works for you. It doesn't seem to work on mine. I have to click here and put it in. So I have to put in my For you, you get to just click that gray box, all right? Oh, this is going to look completely different, so I'm not going to go there for you, all right? Because mine's the teacher one, all right? Okay, so, but then you go back and you do this, you do Compass Learning Odyssey online textbook. See, mine doesn't open, it just comes to the next one, but that's what you're supposed to do, and then do these, all right? Okay, so hopefully that's helpful. I'm really glad to see you're getting to work. So just keep moving along, all right? And you know how to get a hold of me. So send me emails, talk to me through here. There's an inbox. I can't do it in the student view, but you can reply to me there. All right? So I'm going to leave student view. And you see I have all these messages from different students, okay? All right. Well, glad to see you started. Go ahead and get to work then.